Yo, peace and love, family. We are back at it again. Today's package is going to be a little bit different. I got a gift of some designer sneakers this time, but before we jump into it, I got to thank you guys, all the subscribers, new, old, existing, and potentials. Yes. Much respect. I finally got my hands on a pair of designer. This is another gift. I was not paid to make the video. Just sent a gift. Just a simple review. As you know, I do not condone the resale manufacture of unauthentic sneakers, quote-unquote fake sneakers, unauthorized sneakers, and so forth. I don't condone it. I just review them. They're just gifts. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this. Today we have the Balenciaga track sneaker. And I noticed this is a DHL security I've never seen. But anyway, we got the Balenciaga track. This shoe, I've never had a designer sneaker before, ever. I mean, like to this level. So shout out to you guys for sending this shoe to me. I really appreciate it. It took a long time. And when I mean a long time, I mean like maybe 2.5 months. Like I thought they were lost, long and gone, but they're here. So let's jump right into it. So the official name is the Balenciaga Track 2 Open sneaker, I suppose. And I was a little worried about sizing. I told them to go ahead and send over a size 44, which converts to like close to a 10 to an 11. So I was a little unsure. I've never had a shoe I usually just say US men's size 10, but I had to switch it up. I just couldn't say that. So if you guys don't know anything about Balenciaga, some quick history. It was created by a Spanish guy named Cristobal Balenciaga. He's passed at this point, and he started the company about 100 years ago. The company now is owned by Keurig, which is not the coffee. It's another luxury brand. So at this point, Cristobal has never seen the Balenciaga track, so I'm pretty sure he'd be proud of him if he's seen them. Man, I had to constantly wipe down the whiteboard because this package, the shoes and everything was filled like, it was almost like a silica packet just busted inside of this box, and as soon as I opened them, it was like everywhere, so I had to keep cleaning up. It was kind of annoying. All right, and the inside you have the sneaker, and my first thought, look, I had to check the size. I'm like, whoa, these look huge. And they turned out to be, well, the label says a US size 11. So I told them 44, but ended up being 11, and I was like, wow, I probably won't even do it on feet because they're probably going to be super big. They also come with another set of laces, and there's also a Balenciaga dust bag included. Okay, let's have a look at this monster here. And the shoe is really heavy. As you can probably tell, it's a heavy sneaker. And it's not made out of leather at all. If you look at the Balenciaga site, these are not made out of leather. These are all synthetic materials of different types of rubbers and mesh. It's pretty crazy how they design these. It looks like a big mess somehow. It's really hard to explain. Again, I've never had any quote unquote designer shoes. Like, look at that thing. It looks like Medusa. I think there was already a shoe called the Medusa. But anyway, of course it has the dad shoe vibes, heavy. And I thought the green and black colorway would be good. This pair is actually already sold out on the Balenciaga site. You can no longer get them from the Balenciaga website. They look super durable. You got the BB right on the toe there, as you can see. And I really didn't know what to expect, but I did want to try something different. You've got Balenciaga on the back there. It looks like some nubuck or suede up there, but the website says there's no leather material, so I don't know. Not sure if nubuck is a natural leather. But just look at these guys. Please tell me right now in the comments, would you wear this sneaker? Looks like there's a hint of like a silver accent right there as well. You see that? I don't know what any of this is supposed to mean, but it's got design lines everywhere on this thing. The laces don't look like, I don't know. I just don't know. Like I've never had this. I never had a pair of the Track 2s. Looking down at them, you can tell the sole is super chunky. Taking another look at the BB. I don't know why it says BB because Balenciaga has one B in it, so I don't know if they're just doing like a mirror B of the B. Again, I'm not the expert on these shoes, I just wanted to try them. They were nice enough to gift them to me. But look how thick that sole is. You can almost hurt somebody with this outsole. Like, that thing is rugged. This looks like a waterproof shoe, but there's so many ventilation holes it can't be waterproof. But just, I don't know. Would you guys wear this? Like, look at that. That's pretty much why they're so heavy, though. All that rubber and I don't know, guys. Looking at the bottom, it looks really grippy. It's got Balenciaga and neon green or regular, whatever that green is. It's got a really, that's really hard. I guess that would be the shank plate in this shoe. But just take a look. They're all over the place with this sneaker. They make some pretty crazy sneakers over there. I think they just try to see if people will wear them or people will buy them. That looks like a piece of glued on plastic. Nothing fancy there. Let me get the insole out. Whoa, it has gel on the bottom. I've never actually seen this. I'm used to Zoom Air Boost, but I've never seen like a gel bottom. It's kind of that orthopedic touch. Like, people pay for these. That's interesting. It's very jelly. Again, I don't have a shoe to compare this shoe with. Like, I don't have another Balenciaga to see, but that's an interesting touch. It's kind of floppy. It's really weird, and I'm sure that weighs the shoe down as well. That's extra weight, but, we'll see. Got the green Balenciaga on the insole, and here's a quick look on the insides of it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Let's just see how they look on my feet now. I had no idea this was even here. No idea. This is perfect. Okay, here we are. My favorite part of the video, the on feet, on foot, whatever you want to call it. I am wearing the Cola Cultural shirt with my man Illadope, and it's beautiful. Okay, but as you can see, I'm trying to show off the logo. That's my man Illadope's logo, and you can tell I didn't have any help today. On the front is my logo, and on the back is Illadope's logo, which is so dope. I love that. His logo looks better than mine. The heck. They're champion-made shirts. You can find them at illadope.com, and you can get them for about $25-$30. Just let me know if you want to get one. Okay, so at this point in the video, I kind of started to take a liking for the shoe. It's not as big, and well, it's bulky, and it also kind of affects the way you walk and drive. But for some reason, I really like it. I don't know why. It just kind of grew on me in like the couple hours I've been wearing them. So I do highly recommend them. As far as sizing, I asked for it a 44. I got an 11, and they fit. So I have no idea on that one, guys. I have no idea. But look how they kind of stand out. It's super different than the Air Jordan or anything previously I've been rocking or bringing to this channel. So please let me know your thoughts on this particular pair. They're super unique. So let's go over a couple of the pros and cons. I mentioned before that they're very well ventilated, so it looks like a shoe that'll warm up your foot. It does not. It's almost like a sandal with a really big sole. So see how I'm on this ledge right here? It made falling off that ledge extremely hard because the sides are so protruded. It gives you supreme balance, but if you drive a car that's like a 6-speed and you have a clutch and you're always moving your feet, I was kicking my feet all the time inside the car. When I walked and was getting in and out of the car, I kept kicking my foot because it's just so much real estate on your feet. But I love it. I wish I had another pair of these, maybe a brighter color or maybe a sail type of color or something like that. But overall, I think they're really dope. Shout out to Topskick for getting these for me in a timely manner, I guess you could say. I mean, they're a gift, so you can't really be that choosy. But that is the video for today. I have plenty more videos coming for you guys, and I appreciate you. I love you guys. Stay tuned in. Follow me on IG. That's where all the giveaway information is. Follow my stories. DM me if you have a moment. But I'm out, guys. Peace, love, and light. Stay tuned. Tap in with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.